Hi guys, it's Michaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my Boxycharm unboxing, or as is now known by the Boxycharm by Ipsy unboxing. I wasn't going to do this video this month. I was going to do a shorts on it, and then it just kind of came late. I'm like, it's getting up late, but I'm like, you know what, I've got the opportunity to do it. I want to be able to put it up. And I enjoy doing these every month. So I don't have any of the products on my face today, but I did get a chance to play with them and get some initial thoughts. So I will go ahead and share them. I'm going to start off with one of the power picks for the month. And that is the LYS Beauty Love Yourself Eyeshadow Palette in Apologetic. So it retails for $25. This baby packs a punch with 6 neutral shades that are perfect for any occasion. The high pigment formula glides on smoothly and blends like a dream, making it easy to create a variety of looks from subtle to dramatic. And I'm not gonna lie, when I swatched these shadows, I'm like, oh no, they are going to be gritty, they're not going to be good quality. Like, I was disappointed, but then when I put them on my eyes, I was so impressed. Like, I was fully prepared to have to work with the shimmers with my finger, maybe spray it. I did a dry run with the brush and it glided on perfectly, which means if I were to wet my brush or use my fingers, then it would glide on phenomenally. I am impressed by this palette. I was a little bit disappointed when I first looked at it, but it blew me out of the water. I love this and I am so excited to have gotten this, and I actually looked them up online. It's a pretty new launch. It's got a sister palette, I forgot what it's called, but it came out like 2 or 3 months ago, so I'm surprised that this launch was in the box, but I'm excited. I've been starting to get into LYS Beauty, so I'm so glad that this came in. Everything I've tried from them so far I'm liking, and I only started trying them at the end of 2022 when I got, I think it was the concealer in a box of mine, and then I purchased the foundation, so I am really wanting to try more. Alright, the next item in my box is a Toy Factory Dream Set 1 highlighter palette. This was another one of their power picks. It retails for $40. And if you're looking for one vegan, cruelty-free highlighter palette to fulfill the dewy glow of your dreams, set your heart on this one. You get 4 gleaming butterfly soft powders that not only cast your skin in an incandescent luminosity, but also help to soothe and moisturize your complexion, thanks to the niacinamide, squalene, and hyaluronic acid. This is another one of those products that blew me out of the water. I don't think I've tried a highlighter formula so creamy smooth on the skin. I mean, this feels like a luxury makeup product. And this glowy one here, I'm actually using as a bronzer, like a glowy bronzer. Then all these 3 are just perfect for highlighting shades, blush toppers, anything like that, but I feel like there's a lot you could do with this palette. So these next 3 items are my picks for the month. So I'm going to start off with the Persona Cosmetics Super Blush in Caramel. I have heard great things about, I think it's the shade Bubble. I believe this is the same blush formula, but when I saw this was an option, I really wanted to try it because I wanted to try the formula, but it retails for $22. For a flawless blush that doesn't fade, this Budge proof blush is the one to reach for. Its beautiful rosy mauve pigments are buildable with a matte yet luminous touch that looks so natural. Plus, the soft focus finish helps diminish the appearance of pores too. I'm wearing it on my cheeks today. I love this blush. I will say, you have to go in with the light handed. When I tried it yesterday for the first time, I went in with way too heavy of a hand. This time I went lighter with it, and I feel like it's one of those blushes, and I feel the same way about my Cover FX blush as well, where you can go heavier or you can go lighter depending on how you hold the brush. If you hold the brush farther back, you'll get a lighter pigment of color, but if you hold the brush closer, you'll get a heavier pigment of color. So this, in all reality, could become one of my new favorite powder blush formulas. I get the hype around the formula for sure. Again, I am absolutely loving it. Now, this next item I actually got because I had gotten a full cut and color with my hair this month, and when I found out that this was one of the choices for the month, I found this out like the day before I got my hair done. I just had to get it because I've been needing this for so long, but it is the Aveda Balmoleant styling foam. I have not tried this yet, and my plan is to try it in the next day or two when I wash my hair and can style it with my Dyson. But it retails for $28. It is a volumizing foam. It says, let your limp, lifeless hair weigh you down, or don't let your limp, lifeless hair weigh you down. This feather light styling foam helps put some bounce and body back into your hair as you style. It uses air-infused technology to help deliver high shine, volume, and medium hold so that your hair stays looking full all day long. And I believe it's at shine for weightless, so it's volume to fine or medium hair, and my hair is exactly that. It's on the finer side, but it could be fine to medium. So I'm really looking forward to using this. I'm so excited. I also actually, when I went to go get my hair done, I got the Aveda Color Care shampoo and conditioner, so I'm so excited to get this to go along with it. Because again, I've been needing a mousse for so long and I just haven't bought it yet. So when I saw this is actually, it's 6 to 7 ounces. I thought it was going to be smaller for some reason, but it's so big, so it looks like it'll last me a long time. The last item in the box and my final choice for the month was the Bella & Argent Balmy Lip Scrub in the shade Clear. It retails for $18. It's a lip scrub. Lips in need of some TLC. This scrub stick is the perfect multitasking sidekick for dry, chapped lips. It delivers a hydrating balm while gently exfoliating for incredibly soft and smooth lips. Plus, its rosy colors adds a natural flush finish for a look that's as sweet as it feels. So, I don't know if you could tell on camera or not, but I have been sick all week long, which is another reason why I haven't gotten this video out sooner. But I picked this up in the choices because I am needing some more lip oils, lip scrubs. I try to keep some of these in my collection because I did use a couple up this year, or I used at least one up this year. It is a sugar scrub for your lips, but I really like that it is in a balm form, so I'm not having to deal with like the sugary scrub that I have to wipe off. I just put it on, let it sink into my lips, and just put whatever lip products I want on top of it, and it exfoliates at the same time. Now, because I've been sick this week, my lips got really chapped, and when I tried this for the first time, I'm thinking, okay, like they're chapped, they're flaky, like I'm probably going to need to use like a couple of different lip products to make this do its job. But I put this on my lips one day, let it sit on, I didn't put anything else on top of my lips. And by the end of the day, my lips were fine. I used this once, my lips, like the dryness in my lips had gone away, it exfoliated, it sinked into the... I don't really notice a rosy tint to the lips, but I do notice that my lips look very well nourished, very full. Now, it's going to take a few days for my lips to get back to normal. You know, when I'm sick, my skin just dries out. So, I mean, obviously I'm not expecting perfection on the first try, but holy cow am I impressed. Like, this very well could be, like, you know, I used it once yesterday, once today, and my lips feel like they're not chapped anymore. They feel well nourished, well moisturized, and like I was expecting, like, my lips were not going to heal with 1 or 2 applications of this, and they pretty much did. Now, obviously I need to keep up on the maintenance, but that's just a skincare thing. This impressed the heck out of me. I'm so glad I picked this up. So, and especially like if it's working on dry, chapped lips while you're sick, yeah, you know that's a good product right there, because like, you know, I just don't expect that from even the best of products. So like that, I am impressed. Anyway, my thoughts on this box as a whole. I am impressed. I felt like I got the box, I swatched some of the items, I didn't really think too much of it, like I was a little bit disappointed. And then I put all of the products on my face and I was so impressed. I could not believe the quality of the products, especially like my LYS one. Like, I thought this was going to be gritty and take work, and it didn't work. It worked like a luxury eyeshadow palette, which, holy cow, the mattes blended out great. The shimmers blend, you know, applied amazing. I mean, everything in this box was I was impressed with. Now, I haven't tried this yet, but I'm excited to, so I can't really make a judgment on this, but I'm hoping it's good. It's from a well-known high-end brand, so I am excited with this box. I will leave the retail value linked on the screen and linked down below, but yeah. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle. My goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for my Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. And I am currently pregnant, so I've got a lot of that content coming as well. So if that's what you're into, hit that subscribe button. Feel free to stick around, and if not, but you still want to stick around, I would love to have you. Anyway, again, thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.